Hey Madhusudana, one who has killed a demon called Madhusudana, Madhu. Madhu means, the word meaning is honey. You know that dangerous word which you should not pronounce in this country. Honey. Now, honey is the end result of cooperative endeavor of endless number of bees all through days and nights and months. The end product is madhu. It's not one individual. Thousands upon thousands of bees coming out of and going in the same beehive, each bee visiting each flower, and then each flower a wee bit of honey in the proboscis, and when the proboscis is full, the bee comes up and stores the honey, and the honeycomb is full. So honey is the end result of continuous effort. From the honeycomb of your mind and intellect, millions of bees are constantly going out, visiting every flower, the sense objects, and in their contact they gain a wee bit of honey, karma, bhala, whether negative or positive vasana. All these vasanas deposited and carefully stored away is the beehive. Constantly thousands of thoughts are moving out, thousands return back after contact with the world outside. This contact of the individual with the world outside is called the karma. The karma bhala, the end result of all these activities is they are stored away vasanas. Honey. This honey is a demon in your personality who brings all your obstacles and sorrows and limitations. And Lord Krishna, the pure self, has a special name. He who destroyed the demon called honey. Meaning, when you wake up to that plane of consciousness, all these are destroyed. Thus Madhusudana is a name, no doubt, but the name has got a great philosophical significance.